Guys, what's going on? My name is Luis, and God bless to every single one of you. Today is February 11, 2026, and welcome to the Real GS News Channel. Guys, we have a big breaking news coming out. U.S. military shoot down party balloon near El Paso after suspecting drone, official says. The Mexican president says her gov has no information on border drone following temporary airport closure. Party balloon. Are you serious? I posted a video several hours ago at the Grand Supreme News Channel. The link will be in the comments box. Early this morning, the U.S., the White House, Federal Aviation Administration decided to shut down the airspace in El Paso, Texas, due to drones crossing into the U.S. territory. And so Trump administration basically gave the green light to take out that drone, supposedly drone, and they use a laser weapon. All right, so several hours later, we get this information that it was not a drone, it was not the cartel, it's just a balloon. There was a party going on out there in the other side of the border, and it seems like a balloon might have kind of flew over to U.S. territory. And this is the real deal. This is a huge embarrassment. I mean, again, I'm just saying, you know, locking down almost the entire state of Texas. We thought there was going to be some huge biblical war that was going to hit the fan. But come to find out, it was a party balloon. All right, guys, before I start, for those of you that want to send us letters or prayer requests, you can send it to me, Luis Santiago, or my wife, Jessica Santiago, at 3432 U.S. Highway 19, number 2, Holiday, Florida, 34691. And for those of you that want to help and contribute to the channel, we do have the Cash App link and the PayPal link in the comments box and also description box. Another way to support the channel is through Patreon. $5 a month will get you access to our live stream. We go live once a week. We talk about things that we cannot talk about on this platform. And I did post a live stream last night, and I'm posting videos too on Patreon. So make sure you check out the Patreon. Thank you again for your support. I really appreciate it. U.S. official confirmed to Fox News that the U.S. military earlier this week shut down what was later determined to be a party balloon near El Paso, Texas, after initially assessing it as a possible foreign drone. Man. The misidentification eventually led to a total shutdown of airspace around the El Paso airport. Mexican President Claudia said her gov has no information indicating drone activity along the U.S. Mexico border following a temporary airspace restriction in the Texas that the U.S. officials linked to the counter drone measures. All right, so it wasn't the gang. It was not. It was not the gang out there in Mexico. I don't know. What are your thoughts on this here, guys? Leave comments down below. We have no information indicating drone activity along the border. If the Federal Aviation Administration or any U.S. Gov agency has relevant information, they can ask directly the Gov of Mexico, she said in a news conference Wednesday. Now, she said Mexican airspace had not been closed. We will look into the specific reason behind the temporary closure. Now, this is coming out from the President of Mexico, Claudia. She was nice enough to actually give us a lot of information, and she's like, if you guys need any info, you could reach my gov, and you know, they would give you all the updates, information. Our airspace was never closed. We don't know what's going on, but we are here to help. So, again, that was nice of Claudia. But One thing I tell you guys, for those of you that do research when it comes to the border stuff, there's been a lot of drones, and I wouldn't say like Russian drones and stuff like that. I'm talking about these type of drones here that they bring over their stuff, meaning their product. All right, so there's been a lot of drones activity going on, but I wouldn't say like the war drones. It says here there's no place for speculation. We will wait for the information and continue to uphold what we have consistently maintained: permanent open communication. A U.S. administration official told Fox News that the Mexican gang drones breached U.S. airspace near El Paso, and that the counter-drone measures were taken to disassemble them. Now, again, like I say, guys, a lot of their drones, they do cross our border. They do. They do. The Federal Aviation Administration temporarily restricted flights in and around of El Paso International Airport for what it described as a special security reasons. On Wednesday morning, the restrictions initially was valid for 10 days through February 20, an unusually lengthy time frame for airspace limitations affecting a major commercial airport. Well, that made us look really bad. Someone said Joe would have let it fly. So, well, that's true. Joe let the Red Dragon balloon, that big white balloon, fly across the country. It says here temporary flight restrictions are typically used for presidential travel, emergency response operations, or specific time-limited national security events. It is uncommon for such restriction to be issued near a busy border airport absent a significant security concern. Shortly after the restriction was put in place, however, the Federal Aviation Administration and Department of War reopened the airspace and determined there is no threat to commercial travel, according to the administration official. The U.S. official have warned in recent months that the gang are increasingly deploying unmanned aerial system for surveillance, coordination, and reconnaissance along the southern border. And that's very true. I just mentioned that a lot of their stuff, a lot of their drones, they do fly over the border. They do. They bring in their stuff. They bring in the product. And it's been going on for many, many years. It's not something new. When I heard about this one here, I thought like, wow, it got to be a big drone. It's got to be like the Iranians or the Russians for the U.S. to close their airspace like that. Episodes comes amid heightened cross-border security tensions as the Trump administration presses regional gov to intensifying cooperation against the gang and their product network that U.S. officials describe as a direct homeland security threat. Claudia, Mexican president, has rejected repeated U.S. offers to intervene and strike the gang on Mexican territory. It says here, recounting a conversation where Donald offered to help militarily, excuse me, in the fight against the gang, Mexican President Claudia said last month, "We told him, so far, it's going very well. It's not necessary. And furthermore, there is Mexico's sovereignty and territorial integrity, and he understood." I guarantee you something. Once Donald leaves, once he's done with his full term, these gang are coming back much harder because they know that Donald's not going to be in the spotlight, and the next individual might be another Sleepy Joe. Wow. Okay, so give me a second here, guys. Give me 1 second. That's it for the news article, but I want to see if we can find any more news. This is the one I shared early today. The link will be in the comments box. The president ordered the shutdown of the drone near Paso after closing down airspace. Federal Aviation Administration closes El Paso airspace for 10 days to special security reasons. Come to find out, it was a party balloon. Man, imagine that, guys. Give me a second. I'm just going to refresh the page now and see if we can find any more updates here. If you can, like, subscribe, and share. Thank you again for your support. Also, we are... Hold on, what is this? Donald issues ominous gang, the cartel warning as drones swarm El Paso. We're going to hit them very hard. Here's the thing, guys. This is... They can't, they're kind of twisting words here. Daily News, the Daily Mail, they're kind of twisting something here. This was posted. This interview is from yesterday. All right, so he was basically saying that he's not through with the operation out there in the Americas, which is like the gang out there bringing the product, and he said that he's gonna hit them hard one day. Now, this has nothing to do with what happened today in Texas. El Paso. All right, so the one in El Paso, we just find out that it was not drones, it was party balloons. It seems like this is all of it here, guys. I'm not seeing anything else, and it seems like the El Paso stuff is no concern. But this is what they use. All right, this is what the U.S. used to take out that object in the sky, which they thought was a drone. This is a laser, and they test that thing, and yeah, it seems like they tested for the first time, if I'm not mistaken, and it took out the object. Maybe that balloon was a good thing that crossed in to test our mighty weapon. Earlier this week, the same high-energy laser technology was utilized near the southern border to take down what appeared to be a foreign drone. However, the flying material turned out to be party balloons. With one balloon being shut down, sources told CBS News. All right, so it was party balloons, I guess. All right, guys. This seems like it's all the information here. I'm sorry, guys. I'm just looking for more news here, some updates, but yeah, I'm not seeing anything else. Like I said, it seems like El Paso, Texas news is just gonna die off really quick. But again, it's just something that we don't typically do, like those type of crazy stuff. Um, like I said, it's very embarrassing, to be honest. All right, so I do have some more news coming up, and I want to thank every single one of you for your support. I really appreciate it, guys. And later today, I will be posting possibly some more videos over our Patreon. And I want to thank every single one of you for, again, your support on Patreon. So all the links will be in the description box and also the comments box, guys. Thank you so much for watching. For those of you that want to send us letters or prayer requests, you can send it to me, US Santiago, or my wife, Jessica Santiago, at 3432 US Highway 19, number 2, Holiday, Florida, 34691. Once again, guys, $5 a month Patreon. We get you access to our live stream. We go live once a week. We talk about things that we cannot talk about on the platform. Also, I posted videos today. Those links will be in the comments box. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you all. Put faith and trust in Jesus Christ, for He's the only way, the truth, and the life. No one gets to the Father except through Jesus. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time later. Peace.